guys, good morning, buongiorno. I'm with Maria. We're in Palinuro on our boat with our group taking a beautiful tour of the coastline of the Palinuro area. And Maria's an expert in this place, so she's going to tell you all about what we're about to see. Go ahead.
Palinuro. The name of this area of the Palinuro Cape is due to the history of Ulysses that crossed this side of the Tyrrhenian Sea, included inside the Mediterranean Sea, and here, dead, one of his sailors, he fell in the water of the sea. And for this reason, Ulysses called this headland, the Cape, Palinuro.
Because he died?
Because he died here.
Wow.
Yes.
And now he lives forever. His name is on this town. Wow.
Yeah. Everybody knows this very wonderful land like Palinuro.
Beautiful. Look at the cliffs.
The cliffs are wonderful.
It's very dramatic.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we will visit today some caves in particular way when we will come back. The Blue Grotto, yes.
And you're saying it's almost, well, you think it's more beautiful than the one in Capri.
Yeah, more beautiful, bigger, larger. And the blue color, it's wonderful. You will see.
But not as tourist attraction.
Yeah, it's a tourist attraction of the area here.
But most tourists don't know about this place.
Yeah,
So, unfortunately. Or maybe fortunately, I don't know.
Yes,
All right,
yes.
Right.